Hey everyone, welcome to Eternal Tales. Today we are talking about a tragedy. Windows 11 has recently faced a shutdown bug that prevents some PCs from powering off correctly. Users affected by this issue often find their system stuck during the shutdown process, sometimes displaying a blank screen or freezing entirely. This malfunction can disrupt productivity as it forces users to spend extra time troubleshooting or resorting to forced power offs. Repeated improper shutdowns may also pose risks to hardware health over time. Common causes include problematic software updates, incompatible drivers, background applications, and corrupted system files, all of which can interfere with the normal shutdown sequence. To resolve the Windows 11 shutdown bug, begin by checking for pending Windows updates and installing any available patches, as Microsoft frequently releases fixes for known issues. Next, ensure all device drivers, especially graphics and chipset drivers, are up to date by visiting the manufacturer's website or using Device Manager. If the problem persists, perform a clean boot by disabling non-Microsoft services to identify any interfering background applications. You can also reset power settings to their default configurations using the command prompt, which may correct misconfigurations affecting shutdown. Running the system file checker can repair corrupted system files, and if none of these steps work, a repair installation of Windows 11 may restore full functionality without affecting personal files. Subscribe to Eternal Tales for more updates.